Don't let your heart cut on top here now. Because you say your ministry change as you don't swallow that first one.
Yeah.
What thing happened to you?
I like the texture of her eba.
Her eba, okay. No be the Igbo one, and the normal one.
Yes.
Like your advice, say, when you don't the age.
Exactly.
You guys to take the chop.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then I also like the pepper for the soup.
Okay.
Like I talked the other time, it looked flat, but you know that the taste will determine how, if the food really tastes good or not. And so far so good. The soup they impressed me. Make I take one more bolus.
What about you? How you think, Sister Ali?
Well, as the judge of this food, I like the texture.
Okay.
As Madam talk, I see the feeling for my mouth.
Okay.
As you know, when I see her before, when she starts, when she dey cook, the way she dey do, they scatter kitchen, they do this one, they even confused waiting to do.
Yes.
But you know, say wife wey no go school. It no matter say well, it no go mean say no fit cook.
Now what you put for table?
What you put for table now even matter.
Okay.
So I really like Bolanle Abi.
Yes.
Her food.
Okay.
I still dey feel am for my mouth, and the pepper I like am.
All right.
Because I love pepper a lot. You know me say make it go put for other people. Other people not feel like am.
Yes.
But as a chef now, you don't dey less more. You will know say some people like am, some people not like am. But make I go with the third one, then I will know.
All right, so my people, Moko allow the judges to chop later, but like they always talk on top of this show, we give them the same ingredients, make them cook different kind of soup, make them cook them in a very different way. Now, what thing I want to talk with that? The same ingredients, make them cook them differently, and they don't already cook them. Our judges done the chop them. If you serve one day part of this one, you get the opportunity. Make you follow us on top Twitter, follow us on top of Facebook, as they scroll on top of your screen. Because here, now chop, now we can do, and our business now to chop the chop. We want chop the chop for here. And in case you get your market where you want sell, why not? If not, we sell your products. We sell your seasoning. Now, oh yeah, you they sell. I've been out Gary, you said they sell. Oh yeah, carry and where Moku for selling for you on top of chop chop. But before the Moku allow the judges enjoy themselves, we they come back with the final judgment, because one whether not the girl or the guy now win this one. We they come back.